A truly breathtaking shrub when in bloom, clothed in snowy white flowers in a pinwheel arrangement held atop the branches in spring, as if covered in snow. Attractive horizontal branching and good fall color makes a fantastic specimen shrub. The double-file viburnum is draped in stunning white lace-cap flowers held atop the branches in mid-spring. It has dark green foliage throughout the season. The serrated, pointy leaves turn an outstanding brick red in the fall. The red fruits are held in abundance in spectacular clusters from midsummer to early fall. The double-file viburnum is recommended for the following landscape applications: accent, mass planting, hedges and screening, and general garden use. The double-file viburnum will grow to be about 8 feet tall at maturity, with a spread of 10 feet. It has a low canopy with a typical clearance of 1 feet from the ground, and is suitable for planting under power lines. It grows at a medium rate, and under ideal conditions can be expected to live for 40 years or more.
Highland Hill Farm is located in Fountainville, PA, in Bucks County. We're situated close to Philadelphia and New York, so we service the Philadelphia, New York metropolitan area as well as the Washington, D.C. corridor. We ship from our Lenoir, North Carolina facilities, our Fountainville facilities, and our Milan, PA facilities. If you need trees or shrubs on the East Coast, we do deliver and install. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs, or if you have a question about trees and shrubs, we'd be glad to try and answer your questions. So, Highland Hill Farm is your source for information and also for trees and shrubs on the East Coast. Thank you.